drinktec 2025 comes almost to the end, and we can do already a conclusion how the show went. First of all, we have achieved our targets, and the target was to convey the message of a new line, the Ingenic line, with the combination of digitalization and get this as a new business model explained to the customer. This was a tough job of our sales force because it's difficult to explain, but we got this message very well across the table. So customers perceived it very positive. So that's one conclusion which we had. Second, of course, is hospitality and communication. And again, the feedback of our customers is extremely positive, how they have been hosted here from our sales team, from all the colleagues hosting them with the meals, with the evenings, with the drinks. So we have been a team working together here and serving our customers in the best way. And this message we have perceived very positively. And last but not least, they have given us the confidence, the way we are going, the way we innovate, the innovations which have been here, the innovations we are going to do, all of that has been confirmed. And why is that so important? Because we are listening to our customers, understand what they need and develop in the direction they get the solutions tomorrow, and of course, solutions beyond tomorrow. At this particular point, I do a big thank you for everybody who contributed to drinktec 2025. It was a great show for us. Again, we strengthened our reputation. We supported the brand Krones in the industry. Thank you.